This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 35 Applet Programming, II. An applet is a window program for Internet programming, allowing interaction with the user. It extends the java.applet applet class and overrides its abstract methods like init, start, stop, paint, and destroy to provide functionality. The execution flow of an applet begins with the init method initializing properties like background and text color. Then the start method appends inside start to the existing message text, followed by the paint method append inside paint, and then printing the message to the screen. This sequence illustrates how the message content evolves through these methods. The init, start, and paint methods play crucial roles in an applet's lifecycle. The stop method halts execution but keeps the applet in memory, while the destroy method removes it completely. The update method can reinitialize settings like background color, and the repaint method selectively redraws specific portions of the applet view. The banner example program demonstrates the functionality of the repaint and update methods. It has three constructors, one without arguments, one specifying the repaint area, and one with a delay. The area constructor takes parameters to define the repaint region, while the delay constructor sets the maximum time the applet waits before calling update after repaint. An illustration of how an applet can create a scrolling banner with text moving from right to left. The core logic involves updating and repainting the applet to create the scrolling animation effect. Key methods like init, start, stop, run, paint, update, and repaint are utilized, along with threads enabling continuous execution for the animation. Applets enable web-based user interaction via browser execution, managing the applet lifecycle through methods like init and start. Selective repaint for efficient display ups and animations, and threads for continuous execution all contribute to creating animated applet effects. However, applets face limitations like browser dependence and security concerns. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.